Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every single one of us: the future of money. The way we earn, spend, save, and invest is on the verge of a massive transformation. Over the next 10 years, we'll see changes that might feel like science fiction today. So, what do these financial trends look like, and how can we prepare for them? Stick around because we're about to look into the next decade of finance. First up, let's talk about the most visible change: the rise of digital currencies. We're not just talking about the cryptocurrencies you already know, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. We're talking about central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Imagine the dollar, the euro, or the yen, but in a purely digital form, issued and backed by the government. Countries like China are already deep into testing their digital yuan. The Bahamas has launched the sand dollar. The idea is to make transactions faster, cheaper, and more traceable. For you and me, this could mean instant cross-border payments without hefty fees and a financial system that's more efficient. But it also raises big questions about privacy. With every transaction recorded on a central ledger, how much financial anonymity will we have? This is a huge debate that will unfold over the next decade. Alongside CBDC's decentralized finance, or DeFi, is set to completely rewire our financial infrastructure. DeFi aims to rebuild traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading on the blockchain, without the need for banks or other intermediaries. Think of getting a loan directly from a pool of funds supplied by other users, all governed by smart contracts. It's like a financial system run by code, open to anyone with an internet connection. This could democratize access to financial services for billions of people who are currently unbanked. It promises lower fees, higher returns for lenders, and a more transparent system. However, DeFi is still the Wild West. It's complex, carries risks like smart contract bugs and major volatility. But as it matures and becomes more user-friendly, it has the potential to challenge the very existence of traditional banks as we know them. Now, let's shift gears to something closer to home: personalization powered by artificial intelligence. Your financial experience is about to get incredibly personal. AI algorithms are getting scary good at understanding our financial behavior. Imagine a banking app that doesn't just show you your balance, but acts as your personal financial coach. It could analyze your spending habits and suggest a custom budget that actually works for you. It might notice you're overspending on subscriptions and help you cancel them. When it's time to invest, AI could build a portfolio perfectly tailored to your risk tolerance and life goals, automatically rebalancing it as market conditions change. Companies like fintechs are already pioneering this. This hyper-personalization will make managing money more intuitive and accessible for everyone, helping us make smarter decisions without needing a degree in finance. The downside: we have to be comfortable sharing a lot of our data to make it work. Another massive trend is the evolution of payments. The physical wallet is becoming a relic. We've already moved from cash to cards to mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. The next step is even more seamless. We're talking about biometric payments using your fingerprint, your face, or even your palm to pay for goods. Amazon is already testing this with its Amazon One palm scanning technology. Imagine walking into a store, picking up what you need, and simply walking out. With the payment happening automatically and securely in the background, this invisible payment experience will remove friction from transactions, making them faster and more convenient than ever before. It's the ultimate checkout-free future. But what about the bigger picture, like investing? The next decade will also see the rise of what's called the tokenization of everything. Tokenization is the process of converting the rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. This means you could own a tiny fraction of a skyscraper in New York, a famous piece of art, or a stake in a startup. Historically, these kinds of investments were only available to the ultra-wealthy. By breaking them down into smaller, tradable digital tokens, these assets become accessible to everyday investors. This could unlock trillions of dollars in illiquid assets and create a much more inclusive investment landscape. You could build a diversified portfolio that includes not just stocks and bonds, but real-world assets from all over the globe, all from an app on your phone. Finally, a powerful cultural shift is reshaping finance. The focus on environmental, social, and governance, or ESG investing. More and more, investors aren't just looking for a financial return. They want their money to make a positive impact on the world. They are demanding that companies operate sustainably, treat their employees fairly, and have ethical leadership. This isn't just a feel-good trend, it's a financial one. Data is increasingly showing that companies with strong ESG practices can be better long-term investments, as they are often better managed and more resilient to risks. In the next decade, ESG criteria will become a standard part of financial analysis, not just a niche. Your investment platform will likely show you the ESG score of a company right next to its stock price, empowering you to invest according to your values. So, what does all this mean for us? The future of money is digital, decentralized, personalized, and value-driven. The rapid pace of change can feel overwhelming, but it's also full of opportunities. The key is to stay curious and be willing to learn. Start by educating yourself about these new technologies. Maybe open a small crypto account to understand how it works, or explore a fintech app that uses AI to help you budget. You don't have to become an expert overnight, but ignoring these trends means you risk being left behind. The financial world of 2035 will look vastly different from today's. By understanding these shifts now, we can not only protect our wealth, but also position ourselves to thrive in this exciting new era of finance. The future is coming fast, and it's time to get ready. Thanks for watching, everyone. What financial trend are you most excited or worried about? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on finance and technology. See you in the next one.